Hello everyone. I know it's been a month since I last uploaded, but I promise you everything will get right back on track. Because here with me, I got the construction themed items based on the upcoming fourth and final season of All Engines Go. Be sure to check the first 13 episodes coming to Netflix this April. So the first construction themed item I'm going to unbox is the Motorized Diesel's Lift and Load construction set, which comes with the exclusive version of Diesel and a yellow Trojan truck with a tipping feature. Now if you ask me, this set is pretty much similar to the paint delivery set that was released last year because the plastic that doesn't cover the engine and rolling stock. And also the truck that has the tipping feature. But this one here is yellow, which is theming for the set. So let's go ahead and get Diesel removed. Oh yeah, I decided to cut off. Oh yeah, in case I cut those off before filming this video, so that way it would save me some time from having to do it on camera. Hope you guys understand. But before I open this box, I'm gonna take a look at the engine and rolling stock first. So here's Diesel, red buffers, yellow and black hazard stripes, covered in muck or grime. There's the top, the back, and the bottom. And here's the yellow Trojan truck. With those teeth wheels. There's the underneath. It has the little mechanism that has this mechanism underneath to have this tipped over. Whenever it hits right there on that part. And now to unbox the set. Oh, that's everything. That's the set. There we got some instructions and sticker decals. Got some track, some girders, got this part. The only other bagged item in this set are these accessories. Well, yeah. Here's everything that comes with the set. Now, since I'm going to be making a few videos based on the construction themed items, as you can see here, I'm going to be, splitting this up. This will be part 1, and after I get the set assembled up, it'll be part 2. Thomas and Carly will be part 3, and this push-along pack, as you can see there, will be part 4. So yeah. Be sure to stay tuned as I get this set built up and put together.